Lucy had always thought her old bicycle, a gift from her grandmother, was ordinary. One day, while cleaning the dusty frame, she noticed a tiny inscription on the handlebars: "Turn back to see the past, pedal forward to glimpse the future." Intrigued, Lucy decided to hop on and pedal backward. Suddenly, the surroundings became a blur, and when everything settled, Lucy found herself in a dense jungle. Towering ferns surrounded her, and in the distance, she could hear the unmistakable sounds of the prehistoric world. The atmosphere was thick with mystery, and Lucy felt both surprise and curiosity as she began to explore. As Lucy pedaled deeper into the jungle, she encountered a gentle Triceratops munching on some foliage. The sight was mesmerizing, and her journey became even more thrilling when she saw a magnificent Brachiosaurus stretching its neck to feed from tall trees. However, the ground-shaking roars of a Tyrannosaurus rex reminded Lucy of the dangers of this era, prompting her decision to move on. Taking a deep breath, Lucy began to pedal forward. The world around her blurred again, shifting from the prehistoric jungle to a gleaming futuristic city. Skyscrapers towered above with neon lights, while flying cars zipped past her. The streets were bustling with people wearing sleek outfits and holographic pets. Lucy parked her bicycle to explore a bit. She marveled at a food stall selling floating ice cream and even tried on a pair of gravity-defying shoes at a nearby store. As the futuristic city's sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of purple and blue, Lucy realized she missed her own time. Climbing back onto her bicycle, she pedaled with all her might, hoping to find her way back home. The world whirred around her, and soon, familiar sights came into view. She was back in her own neighborhood, right in front of her house. Lucy carefully placed the bicycle in her garage, ensuring it was safe and secure. While she was tempted to share her adventures with everyone, she decided to keep the bicycle's magic a secret, just as her grandmother had. After all, some stories are best kept close to the heart.